Ciklojontrok Certificate Course in Communicative Karbi Language Aparman Pini Puthot Class Kangpu Ponthu. Assam University Difu Campus English Department along Pini Matijong ni Phai Krisir ke Bhomkuru Arni Analo Por Phai Krisia Porpen Ciklojontrok Certificate Course in Communicative Karbi Language Class Kangpu Ponthu. Bangso Class Kangpu Pon along Mai Kajari Pon Lake Kusumbar Borua HOD Department of Assamese Assam University Difu Campus ahin pensi Machari Pon. Bangsa Omai long Alhiaman pen kacatong dot lake Professor Sivasis Bisa Vice Chancellor Assam University Difu Campus Lapen Longsing Teron Karbi Language Development Board Chairman Karbi Autonomous Council Lapen Khogen Ingdi Thanbang Sarkim Taro Thanbang Lapen Dr. Wuli Thana Raju Assistant Professor Department of History Assam University Difu Campus atum chetong don si bangso class kangpu pon amailong RDB dun. Pini bangso Ciklojontrok Certificate Course in Communicative Karbi Language Assam University Difu Campus English Department along Pini class kangpu pon laki Pini pen ingdeng ke thomlo mate third best loposi mai along maipo Kusumbar Borua pen thanpachini pon. Mai along Karbi Language Development Board Chairman Longsing Teron pen ke than pon ateng ke non ke bangji asengkan pen ke Karbi elective subject ta metric mate HSLC exam ke tok pona hut tok ponong po la pen higher secondary along ta Karbi subject padopon po la ancok ta kalesi Karbi a subject ta degree hut chali ponong po la pen Karbi Language Department amata padopon po puta mai along than pasini po non third base along kadukawe pen kasarle don atum phai bang trokebra pho an do pusi Karbi Daily News asai hamalong bitanang pali news next report Karbi Daily News.
Professor Kusumbar Borua, most respected head of the department Assamese and coordinator of the certificate course in Communicative Karbi, Shri Longsing Teron, among his many avatars, he is chairman of the Karbi Language Board. Another avatar which is very close to me is he is my very dear friend. We share many dreams. Most respected Sri Khogerinti, most respected Sri Kensing Taro, our very respected teachers without whom the course would not be a success. They are taking tremendous strain, they are doing a lot of sacrifice. On Saturday, Sunday, when everything is closed, they come here and they take pain for the future of the Karbi people. My namaskar to you too, sir. And my most dear students. Without you, there is no one here, only the benches. You have to be here to make the course successful. Thank you so much that you are here. And we are all part of this dream. The dream started when we were talking, Longsing ji and myself. It was 2017, I think, Longsing ji, when we are discussing what to do. So many things are some little bit of, but courses have to be formed. Their syllabus has to come. As we started talking, even the alphabet, you are using British alphabet, I mean Roman script, but these things are always, we are thinking what to do. And by virtue of being member of the Dibrugarh University Academic Council, Executive Council, Longsing ji had access to the Dibrugarh University administration, and this course actually started first from Dibrugarh University, and he got the charge that you do it in Difu, and I became part of his dream. I said, why not Assam University? We have Assam University here, so let us not depend entirely on Dibrugarh University, but Assam University must be part of the dream. But there were some hiccups. Our headquarters don't give us anything without a long struggle. So while Dibrugarh University course started, we were a little behind schedule and we did not get the permission to have two courses, two sessions every year. It was only one session. So that way we are a little behind, but even then we are doing our best. And what we want is step by step, from certificate it should go up to diploma, BA, MA, then research. Only when we see a PhD, a doctorate walking out of these doors, that is the day when our dream, your teacher's dreams, it is going to be successful. And our coordinator, who has sacrificed all his personal, all his official work in the SMS department, being HOD is very difficult.